I'm gonna start by dropping in 1 pack of sugar snap peas. Now these are not gonna take but just a second. So we're gonna let those just cook for a couple of minutes. And I've got our orzo ready. It had to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. And now I'm just gonna prop this up on the pot and let that drain for a second. All right, and I'm gonna transfer this to our mixing bowl. I love orzo. It looks like rice, but it tastes like pasta because it is pasta. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna add 3 cups of diced chicken that has been picked free of bone and skin. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of toasted almonds. And those are gonna give it a nice crunch, along with 1 cup of diced water chestnuts that's also gonna give it a nice crunch. Kind of reminds me of sugar cane, only it's not sweet. And I'm gonna add 1 diced red bell pepper. All right, let's see, our sugar snaps should be ready. So I'm gonna come over here and let those drain. I love these big old fat peas, but I'm gonna toss these in last. I'm gonna let them cool and toss these in last because I don't want them to tear up. And I'm gonna move this over here. And now I'm gonna mix together our dressing. And our dressing is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. So this is gonna have a real oriental flavor to it. All right, now I'm gonna just take my whisk and just whisk those ingredients together and put that to the side. And I've got a few spring onions or green onions. And I'm just gonna slice these. And these are gonna add that little extra flavor and punch that our salad's gonna need. Into the bowl that goes. All right, now I'm gonna get it up here close to me again. Now I'm gonna add a little salt, a little fresh ground pepper, and now in with our dressing that we've made for it. Just gonna drizzle that over it. And then toss it together. You can see the steam coming up from our orzo. Doesn't that look good? And smells even better. All right, now I'm gonna fold in our sugar snap peas and I'm gonna give it 1 final quick drain because like I said, I don't want any water in this to dilute those flavors. How pretty is this?